Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your schedule for your stream on Twitch. So let's get started right away. Now, there is no direct option within your app for this. So you'll need to use your web browser. Open up your browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Twitch website. You may also use the twitch.tv URL for this. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to schedule or change your setup schedule for your stream, then tap on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Once you are inside the settings page, click on Channel and Videos and now click on Schedule. Now within this page, you will see all of the scheduled stream that you have within your channel. If you don't already have one, you can click on the Add Stream option to set up your new stream. You may also set up a stream if it occurs on particular days of the week on a repeated schedule. After adding up your stream, it will be displayed within the Stream Schedule section, from which you will also see the Change option or the Edit button alongside it. You can click on this button in order to make your desired changes, and you will once again be able to change your stream options. After choosing your desired settings, click on the Save Changes button, and now your changes will be applied to your scheduled stream right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your scheduled stream on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.